Why, welcome! Kat right here. So today, the project I will be showing you is I'm going to be trimming the English ivy on our house. So when we first moved to this house, that English ivy was on all this part of the house, but it hadn't been kept up. And so you couldn't even see the window. It was really, really thick. So over the years, I've really cut it back. I've taken the little trimmer and trimmed it back pretty good. But I just have to do this every spring and every fall to make sure it just doesn't get out of control, because this stuff will get out of control if you're not good with it and don't keep it trimmed. So I'll show you how to keep this trimmed. So everything I've got to do around here is I've got to trim all along this area. Got a little green metal thing over there I got to trim around. Got to do the hedge trimmer on all of this, on this side, on that side, and then around the window up there. So shouldn't take but a couple of hours, but we'll see, get this done. So I'm going to climb up this ladder and show you a little bit around the window, how you get this clipped and how to do that. So we're up at the top of the ladder. There's down at the bottom, we climbed up the ladder. This is the window. So right along here is the window. You can pull this back and take a look. Now we just have to pull those back and trim them and get rid of all that so you can see right into the window. You can see out of the window. Really works best if you put the ladder in one spot, do both sides of the ladder, and then you move the ladder over a little bit and then do both sides of the ladder right there. So I got most of this area done. I already did the tree, I already did the window. Got this area. Now we need to go down and do this lower window and around here, and I'm going to do a little bit of this rose bush also. All along the window is all done. Now let's go around our little sump pump. So down here, this thing lifts up and our sump pump is under there. So we gotta make sure to keep the ivy trimmed away from this. So if we needed to, we could get in to the small little hole where the sump pump is. Okay, so I've already done all this up here. Now we need to do this along the side and then do a little trimming on the rose bush. Okay, now I just need to go around this whole line and just trim this so it's not coming up over the cement. Wow! Look at what I just found! It's a shotgun bullet that's full! Wow! My grandma and grandpa were quite rock hunters, and this is a stone that they got, I believe, from some Indian area where they would smash up their food. So we definitely want to keep the ivy trim away from this so we can have this to remember my grandma and grandpa. There we go. Well, I am getting close to being done, but I just have the top part of the house to do up there. So I have to get my ladder much taller so I can do all of that. Okay, let's get it moved over again. One last place to go. Gotta go right along there. There's our air conditioner. Just gotta go right along here. I am all done with my project, so I'm just finished up trimming the ivy. And remember, if you want to have it good and under control, you got to trim it in the spring and in the fall. Remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.